In this video, we'll show you how to set your template as your favorite or default template, lock your template, and do basic customization like add and delete entries and sections, and drag and drop pre-built sections. To get started, we're going to select a template. To set your template as your default or your favorite template, you can simply click on the star icon next to the title. If you wanted to lock the template so that only you can edit the template, you can click the lock icon next to the title as well. You can do basic customizations to create the template you'd like. You can add new section and entries and even create section spaces by simply dragging and dropping them into the template. I'll demonstrate. Click on the new section on the right-hand side and drop them. And if you wanted to add more entries to the section, you can simply drag and drop as well. If you wanted to use any section spaces, you can simply drag and drop. If you wanted to delete anything, click on the red X icon next to the section. You can also leverage our pre-built section and entries on the right side to drag and drop where you'd like. For example, thanks for watching! In our other videos, we'll show you how to leverage our advanced styling options to further customize your templates the way you'd like.